guys, welcome back to my channel. Look what I have here. If you see these little pumpkins at the store, they could be used much more than just decoration. So to start off this recipe, I have here a little pumpkin. This is called a pie pumpkin. Chop it in half. You're gonna scoop off all the seeds on the inside and then flip your pumpkin over, cut it into slices. Once you have your slices, just go around and take off the skin of the pumpkin. The skin is edible, but it's just a little tough. Now for the fun part, the grating. If you had a food processor, of course, you could just dunk those right in there with the grater setting on top. If you wanted to use other vegetables, like sometimes I use cabbage when I'm making these, and that is my all-time favorite. If you wanted to use maybe a Japanese pumpkin, that would be a little bit more sweeter and delicious. I love those things. They look like this pumpkin, but they're green. I don't know if you've ever seen them at the store. And also, if you wanted to use some squash delicata or butternut squash, that would work as well. All right, so once you have about 2 cups of this shredded pumpkin, does this not look like cheddar cheese to you? You're gonna put it in a bowl with 1 egg, 4 tablespoons of flour, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of milk, some salt and pepper, and lastly, some baking powder. Give everything a good mix. It may be easier with your hands. Once everything is incorporated, you're gonna take spoonfuls of it. Make sure that your oil is not too hot so this does not burn. Give them a little flip. Oh, they smell so good. You can smell the Parmesan cheese is melting and just getting all crispy and delicious inside of that pumpkin. And that's pretty much it, guys. You're gonna top these on top of some parchment or even a cooling rack just to collect all that grease. And these guys are ready. You know they're gonna be good. For the best part, it's taste test time. I serve this with a little bit of sweet chili sauce. I picked this one up at Trader Joe's. I mean, if you were to serve this at any party, people would go first for these because anything fried, like I was saying, is so good. Pumpkin is just one of the most mild vegetables I've ever tasted in my life. If you were blindfolded, you wouldn't even know this was pumpkin. So good. If you guys wanted to turn this into a meal, serve it over some spring mix, a little dash of balsamic vinaigrette, and you have probably one of the best salads out there. Now, if you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you tried it out. And as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.